Are you in the market for a new laptop that combines sleek design with powerful performance? Well, look no further than the 2022 MacBook Air with the M2 chip. This laptop boasts a stunning 13.6-inch liquid retina display. Do you hear that, puppy? This is going to make your content come to life with vivid clarity. That's right, the 8 gigabytes RAM and 256 gig solid state storage. You'll be able to multitask with ease and store all of your important files in here. The backlit keyboard adds to the overall user experience, providing a comfortable typing experience in any lighting condition. It could be the middle of the day, or it could be dusk, or even nighttime. With the 1080p FaceTime HD camera, you'll be able to video chat with friends and colleagues in your high definition right here on this awesome screen. Upgrade your computing experience today with the 2022 MacBook Air. With the M2 chip in here, the 2022 MacBook Air is powered. Oh, it's so powerful. It's going to provide a lightning-fast performance for all of your computing needs. And of course, the Liquid Retina display up here, which is 13.6 inches, delivers stunning visuals with vivid colors and crystal clear resolution. Boom! It's going to want to know what my language is here as I set it up. Real quick, I'm going to choose English because that's the language that I'm speaking. The backlit keyboard, as I mentioned, makes typing in low light conditions a breeze and adds to your overall aesthetic of the laptop. It's probably going to interrupt me by talking out loud. Siri? Oh my goodness, not now. Well, let's get on with it. The FaceTime HD camera up here is 1080p, not that old 720 stuff. You do your FaceTime in HD these days, and the camera allows for clear and high-definition video calls, making staying connected with loved ones and colleagues easier than ever. Now, as a writer, I am always on the lookout for the perfect laptop to help me bring my ideas to life. Well, I recently picked up one of these 2022 MacBook Airs with the M2 chip, and I could not be happier. Now it's telling me about my data and privacy. The 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display is perfect for my needs, as I can easily see what I am writing when it's in the middle of the day or the dead of night. Backlit keyboard makes typing a breeze, and 8 gigs of RAM powers my programs through wonderfully, and I can store all my files on the 256 gig solid state drive. This ensures that I can work on multiple projects at once without any lag. But my absolute favorite feature of this MacBook Air is that 1080p FaceTime HD camera, where I can see my family crystal clear and love them through the camera. But all in all, the 2022 MacBook Air has quickly become my go-to device for all my writing and work needs. Whether I'm pounding away on a new project or simply catching up with my friends, it provides the performance and versatility that I need to get the job done.